This video is about an acceptable use policy. An acceptable use policy is a written agreement to be followed by people who use a community computer network. An AUP defines what are acceptable and unacceptable uses and the consequences for non-compliance. You will most commonly see an AUP when registering on community websites or when using a computer at school. These policies are primarily geared towards protecting the safety of young people against inappropriate language, pornography, and other questionable influences. The Granite School District AUP states the following: Internet resources can be valuable for a student's education. School internet access is a privilege which may be authorized as well as withdrawn. Students are expected to be aware of and abide by the following. Number 1, student personal safety. Personal contact information may not be entered on internet sites open to public access. This includes student address, phone numbers, and personal email addresses. Number 2, internet use. Students may use school internet access, including email, only for teacher-directed educational activities. Students may use school internet access only when authorized and only when supervised. Number 3, prohibited computer usage. Students are strictly prohibited to access or create files or materials without authorization, access or create offensive, profane, or pornographic files, use internet games or web chats, plagiarize works or violate copyrights or trademarks, damage, alter, or modify hardware or software, or attempt to bypass computer security. Number 4, expectation of privacy. Students do not have an expectation of privacy in files, disks, documents, email, etc., which have been used or created with district equipment. And number 5, disciplinary actions. Disciplinary actions will be taken to meet the specific concerns related to violations of this agreement. For example, loss of access to computers, suspension, or law enforcement involvement.